Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to make $333 with your product for free without spending any single penny on advertising. Before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel so you will not miss my future contents. First of all guys, for this method, I assume that you have an e-commerce store and a product for promoting. So guys, first off, for this method will be the creating affiliate program for your store. For example, I can advise you Aghayev Pro. You can download and use this for your store. After you set up the application for the affiliate program, then you need to decide your percentage for commissions. Okay, I advise you to give a high commission per each sale. For example, if you give them 50% commission from the profit, then they will feel like a partner to you. That's why they will work better. They will work more with motivation. And don't you think the 50% commission is very high? I cannot afford this. No, because you don't have an advertising cost. It will be free without spending any single penny on advertising. That's why your profit margin will be high. Let's say your product cost is $10 and you sell this for $40, okay, and you have $30 profit from this product without ads. So then you can give $50 commission to this person for each sale, and it will be 50% commission rate. And before you start promoting, first make sure you have a good and detailed product page. What I mean by that, your product photos should be really high quality. The variants should be clear, easy to understand. The description should be detailed, like you should add what's included in the package, so every details about the products. You should definitely have photo reviews for your product. So yeah, make it look more professional and more attractive. And when your product page is fully ready, then you can create an affiliate link for your product and give this link to the people. So your product page is ready, your affiliate link is ready. Now you need to have a content. So you will need to make as many videos as you can for your product, because that's the how it works with the TikTok. They need to post many videos to make it work. That's why make sure you record many videos for your product and send these videos to the people who will promote your product. So then people will start posting these videos on TikTok. They need to put the link that you gave them into their bio, because the customer from the TikTok will buy your product with that link, and the people who will promote your product with the affiliate, they will have an account in this affiliate program, so they can track all these data. For example, how many visitors they got, how many sales, how much they earn from these sales. But make sure you have 1000 followers on this TikTok account, because TikTok will not allow you to put a link in your bio if you don't have a 1000 followers. But it's not difficult to get 1000 followers on TikTok. You just need one video, okay, one viral video, and you have followers. And you can do it with good quality videos and consistency. Like, believe me, it's not hard. You can do it. And let's say you have a 1000 followers, then you need to start posting minimum 4 product videos every day. Okay, minimum 4. I advise you to start 8, for example 4 in the morning, 4 in the night during the peak time, but it depends on the country. So as much as you can post, it's better for you. So that's why I advise you minimum 4, but 8 will be better. And don't worry, like, it's okay to post same videos over and over again. Just you will need to change the text on the video, and you can change the music, for example, so you can create a different kind of videos, and try to add a funny or attractive text to the video to make it viral. And also don't forget, don't post longer videos. Okay, short videos is easier to make it viral. I advise you between like 8-10 seconds is enough for this video. And of course, day by day they will need more videos, so you can give this physical product to each person who promote your product, so they will make video by themselves, so they can post as much as they want. So now let's calculate your profit. Let's say your profit is $15 per order, because you are giving $15 also as a commission. And let's say each person will bring you 3 sales a day, and it will be $45. And if you have a 7-8 people who do this work, then you can make around like $350 every day without doing actually anything. They will promote for you. All you need to do is just fulfill orders. That's all. You can think, how can I find these people? It's not difficult actually. You can start with your friends or your family members, or you can, for example, post on your social media account and ask them, hey, I have a business offer, who can help me? We can split the profit 50-50. So most of the people will agree with this. And also, I advise you to create a group, for example, in WhatsApp or Telegram or anywhere you want, and you can give them strategies, for example, video ideas. Also, you can send videos there. They will understand better and you will help them to grow their account, and they will bring you more sales. And I want to tell you one example from my team member. He posted a video on TikTok, and this video generated over 10 million views in 1 month, and only this video bring me 300 sales
Wow.
in 1 month. And imagine if you have a couple videos like this in 1 month, it will bring you really good money, and you can make like extra 5,000, $10,000 without doing anything actually. As you see guys, this is one of the ways for making sales with e-commerce business. You just need to work smarter. I always say, don't work harder, work smarter. So
Okay.
then you can be successful in this business. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you learned something useful from this video again. And if you like the video, make sure you subscribe the channel and you will not miss my other videos.